Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on SLP token. In today's video, we will take a look at the price line is moved at the support of this descending triangle, and we will try to analyze whether the price line is going to break down this support or not. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this descending triangle. Right now you can see that we are at the support. Sometimes we are below the support, or sometimes we are moving above the support. And you can also see that this support is exactly at 1.75 cents, and this level has been working previously as a nice support here and here as well. And recently we have tested this support again and again. Slightly we are moved below than the support, but we can see that we are also having some spikes below than this level here and here as well and here as well. And if I place a trend line at the point where we have the most touch points, the confluence points, then this area can be a small support zone. For example, if the price line moves below than the support, then we can still have expectation that the price line can be reversed back inside this triangle, unless this below level of the support won't be broken down. That is at 1.71 cents, and you can see we have touched this level here and here as well and here as well, and right now we are again in this level. Now the next resistance level will be here at 2 cents, and on this chart we can also observe that we also have a falling wedge pattern as well, and recently price line has broken out this this resistance of the falling wedge pattern here, and after breaking out, the price line formed this descending triangle. This was the recent swing low, by the way, also the recent swing low before this breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and also the recent swing low before the breakout from this very big channel. You can see here that this 1.71 cents 75 cents has been working as a very nice support for the past several days here in the month of January 2022. By the way, this is the daily time frame chart, and if we again switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart here on this channel, we can see that before this breakout, the price line tested this support here and broke out this resistance of a big channel. Now, if we again take a look at the different rejections on this daily time frame, then even though we have broken out this resistance of the channel, because we have rejection here, here, and here as well, and here, and again, after several rejections, we broke out this resistance. But after these few more rejections, there can be another resistance now, because we have a spike here, and now we have few more touch points here as well, and we can see that this level can be also working as a resistance if we will have another move to the upside. That will be approximately at 2.8 cents to 3 cents, and here we may face a resistance. But if we switch back to this 4-hourly time frame chart, and let's dig this move more deeper, this triangle. I've also placed a stochastic here. Then we can see that the stochastic is, and the price line is very synchronized with the stochastic. You can see whenever the price line is moving at the support and the stochastic gets oversold, the stochastic turns bullish and the price line follows the signal of the stochastic oscillator, like it has happened here, and here as well, and then again happened here recently in the month of March, at the first week of March, and now we are again at the support, and the stochastic has again entered the oversold zone. Now there can be again a probability for the price reversal from this support, unless this support won't be broken down, that we have approximately at 1.71 here, at a slight support here as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.